Sungsot na! Sungsot na!
Philippines!
Woo! Back up!
Wow, a slow-mo turn. And then she goes on into giving us that great face, that great attitude. She's killing the game here. Costa Rica. Philippines.
Woo! Kanya! Ah!
Costa Rica. Tested.
Top 5! Top 5! Top 5 na! Top 5!
Earning spot number 3 is Philippines.
Oh my God! Top 3!
The first finalist with a chance
Top 3!
to take the Miss Universe
Philippines.
crown is
Please!
Philippines.
Yan! Yes! Woo! Yay! Nanang results. Woo! Steve ay nagkasayop.
Both of you have worked so hard to get here, but only one of you is about to become our new Miss Universe. If for any reason the winner is unable to fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take her place. Good luck to you both. The new Miss Universe is
Philippines, please.
Philippines.
Yay! Woo! Oh. Yes, daog.
I'm Steve Harvey.
My goodness, si Steve Harvey, wala na pa siya nasayo. Woo!